Namaste, sir. Myself Avinash Mallikarjun Kantikar, pre-PhD student, Department of Physical Education, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Marathwada University, Aurangabad. Under the guidance Dr. Sanjay J. Chandrasekhar, sir, Associate Professor, Department of Physical Education, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Marathwada University, Aurangabad. My seminar topic is Effect of Physical Fitness Training on the Sports Performance Among Handball Players for Kalaburgi District. Abstract. The present research study focused on the effect of physical fitness training on the sports performance of handball players. The physical fitness is the most valuable thing in the present world. Without the fitness, the human body unable to face the physical challenges and also the health related challenges like daily working routine, walking, running, jumping, fighting against the various health issues, etc. The keywords: physical training, sports performance. Introduction: physical fitness has very serious implications for the health and well-being of all individuals, and uh, circuit training is most important of all players. What is meaning by circuit training? A typical circuit training workout including about 8 and 10 exercise sessions. I am showing the review of related literature. I am taking 6 and 7 literatures. I am next showing the methodology. Number one, significance of the study. Number two, the study variable. Number three, major objective of the study. Number four, the hypothesis of study. The fifth one, the samples. Number six, tools of the study. I am taking the 4 points. Physical. Number one, physical fitness training schedule of circuit training used as tool. Number two, SPSS software also used in data uh, calculation to the result of the research study. Next one, stopwatch, weight, power, visual record sheet. Next one, the following or the motor ability test have been used in the study. Next one, last one is motor ability test. I am showing the table, data analysis and interpretation. The table showing the pre and post test data of sports performance is speed ability of handball players. The T values are significance at 0.05 level. The graph showing the effect of circuit training. The handball players taken test time less time the complete the 50-meter dash in speed test. Next is the table showing the pre and post test data of sports performance in endurance ability of handball players. The T values are significant 0.05 levels. Next I am showing the table, the graphs to showing the significant effect physical training on the endurance ability among the handball players. The table showing the pre and post test data of sports performance in agility ability and handball players. The T value are significance at 0.05 level. Next one, the table showing the pre and post test data of sports performance in strength ability of handball players. The T values of significance of 0.05 levels. Mm, the graph fourth showing the significant difference in the strength ability and handball players. Concluding and conclusion of the study. The present research study showing uh, that the physical fitness training for 5 weeks of handball players increases the sports performance abilities. The circuit training used in the study as tool improve the sports performance of handball players. Most important, the 4 points. There is a significant important in a 50-meter dash speed tested after the training. There is effect of circuit training on the speed ability. There is significant effect of of circuit training on the endurance ability among the handball players of Kalburgi district. The endurance measured by the 12-meter walk and run test among handball players. The circuit training has the effect on the agility of handball players. Last one is the study showing significant improvement in strength ability after the physical fitness training. This is the reference. I am taking the lot of reference. Okay, sir. Thank you and all.